This is really the best method to get rid of seed hulls, as well as you have to do it when you finish harvesting to rinse off your microgreens. Now that we've done that, given it a little bit of agitation, like this. Now we're going to put the salad spinner on top. Alright, now that we have rinsed our sunflower microgreens, we are ready to put the salad spinner on top and try and remove water and seed hulls.
Nice.
Now you can do this anywhere from like 30 seconds to a minute, or just give it a few good spins, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. You just really don't want those microgreens wet. Alright, and if you look here at the bottom, we actually have a good amount of water right there.
Very cool.
There we go. So now we can take these, we can set them on their paper towel in front of the fan to dry. Because it works as a really big tray and it allows me to just spread everything evenly. And as you can see, anywhere I had like a couple hulls or husks left, they've just come off in the water. So now you can take these, spread them evenly, and let them dry. And once they are finished drying, you'll be able to package them into any clamshell or container, plastic storage container, or produce bag that you may have. And it will store anywhere from a week to a month, depending on your storage method, so long as you dry these out first. Thank you for watching our drying microgreens video, and we hope you join us in the next video. Also, if you have any more questions about microgreens, go ahead and see our link to our website below.
See ya.